Hello guys, welcome to Blunt with K. I am okay, picture this. 2010 मैं अपने कॉलेज के साइड से हम लोगों को एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए ये लोग डिज्नीलैंड पेरिस लेके गए. सम ऑफ यू माइट ऑलरेडी नो दैट मैंने अपना कॉलेज ग्रेजुएशन सब पेरिस से किया है. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वेंट टू डिज्नीलैंड पेरिस and I've had a pretty rough childhood, which we'll talk about later, which is not the video. But what I'm trying to come to is that the first time I visited Disneyland Paris, I did not know what I was visiting. All I knew was that it took my breath away. It healed me. It made me feel like I am meeting myself as a kid. It really, like, I was above 18 but I felt it. And the second time I went to Disneyland was with a couple of my friends and my boyfriend back then. We had a lot of fun and I ended up saying that one day I will get my kid here. Like, that was something. And it wasn't like I wasn't saying it to him that one day we both will have a kid and all that. I did not do that. I already knew internally that that this boyfriend is just a, you know, like a time pass relationship, because मेरी family तो कभी किसी French boyfriend को accept नहीं करेगी. So I internally told myself, one day I'll have a kid and I'll get my kid to Disneyland Paris. 16 years later, 2026, tonight, I am flying to Paris with my 9-year-old son. I cannot explain it to you guys what I'm feeling. Like, I wish I could. I'm gonna try my best, but I can't. I just can't. I am so emotional. I am so excited. I am so anxious. I am so blessed and I am so stressed. Everything in one go is happening to me internally. Firstly, let me give you a little bit of context and background. I wanted to take Ivan to Paris on his 3rd or 4th birthday. At that point of time, I had the money, I had everything in my resource section to take him to Paris, and I was very excited about it, but COVID aa gaya. Just before COVID aaya, I reached a place where I was like, fuck, this marriage is not going to work for me anymore. And I started, like, from in-laws, I started having partner problems very evidently. Problems to thi hi, but I started seeing them, because jab aap therapy pe jate ho, that's when you realize ki, oh, aapke sath jo ho raha hai wo abusive hai. सो कोविड आया. कोविड के साथ साथ मेरा सेपरेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. कोविड के साथ साथ मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ ख़राब हो गई, और मैंने अपने यूट्यूब चैनल्स 2022 में, calendar can be fucked up, okay, trauma response, but somewhere I think in 2022 I closed my YouTube channels. And the minute I closed my YouTube channels, I was businessless. I was financially not independent enough to do anything. I was not in a space to even afford my freaking rent. Screen teddy ho gaya na guys. So I couldn't afford my rent, but I did have some money and I still wanted to go to Paris. It was like a thing कि मुझे इवान को Paris लेके जाना है. I felt like this is something that I just have to do, and this is something which is gonna heal me. But obviously with my savings or anything, I just couldn't do it. मेरे वीज़ा की कोई हालत नहीं थी. शेनिगन वीज़ा के लिए काफ़ी चीज़ें चाहिए होती. I was just not in a state to do it. But the fact that I couldn't do it when I wanted to do it disrupted everything inside me, because I felt so helpless and I felt like I've lost my spark, my independence, my financial freedom. I have lost everything. I have to build myself from scratch, and a lot happened, and some of you are aware of it. And since then I have been just building my business, building my practice, becoming a life coach, studying for it, getting certified, and then slowly building my financial strength. My financial strength started from a place where I could only afford going for a road trip to Mussoorie and Dehradun, and then eventually my first international trip happened to Krabi. I went to Leh Ladakh, and then my mother took us to Hong Kong. So last year Disneyland did happen in Hong Kong, and it was amazing. Then Iman and I went to Bali, and then for my birthday we went to Vietnam. So slowly building up that space. And then last year when I went to Vietnam, I told myself that now I'm gonna like pause. I'm not gonna do a small trip. I'm gonna save my money and do a big trip. And the only good window to do a big trip is for Ivan's summer vacation. So from last September, I started working my ass off, like workshops, sessions, and Ivan and I have not traveled from September till now. We just took a staycation abhi piche for 2 days in Jaipur, but we haven't taken a flight or we've done a long road trip. For Ivan and I, that's a big break, because I personally like to take a break from my work every 2 months, like a week off, and do something. And I had places where I wanted to go, but I knew that if I want to do this Europe trip, then I have to save money and put a big chunk of money, because it's not just me going to Europe, it's me and Ivan. So 2 people going to Europe, तो मुझे 2 लोगों का खर्चा उठाना है. Plus I want to do it in a way that we can go to Disneyland twice, because they have 2 parks. I have a couple of friends that I want to meet, and this started marinating in my head that if I want to do this Europe trip, then I really have to stop taking small trips. And Vietnam and Bali are not small trips, but in comparison to Europe, they are small trips. Money wise, they are small in comparison to Europe. So since 7 months, we haven't traveled, 7-8 months, which is big for us as a family. And I've saved every single damn penny for this trip, जिसकी मेरी आज रात की, मेरी और इवान की आज रात की flight है. My entire room is right now with some things that I have to pack. I just got my waxing done. I still have like 100 things to do before we take that flight. And I will not put this vlog till I'm back, and let me talk about that now. 1 second, I need to get my protein. My protein smoothie. Hello, Dadu. Hello. Me back. मेरा G7X का स्क्रीन क्रैक हो रहा है. Anybody and everybody who knows that I am taking a trip to Europe has been scaring the fuck out of my system with pickpocketing stories, and thanks to that Instagram algorithm ने भी pick कर लिया है. So all Instagram does is shows me scams and frauds, and Paris में कितनी चोरियाँ हो रही हैं, कैसे चोरियाँ हो रही हैं, फ़ोन चोरी हो रहे हैं, I have literally taken out couple of my bags, but मेरे सारे bags में single zip है, so ये lock नहीं हो सकते. They are not travel friendly. इसमें से बहुत easily चोरी हो जाएगी. Anxiety has बहुत time के बाद I think good. I don't know. ऐसी एनजाइटी मुझे 1.5 साल से तो फील नहीं हुई होगी. आई थिंक आई वर्कड सो मच ऑन माई सेल्फ कि 1 साल से मुझे ऐसी एनजाइटी नहीं फील हुई होगी जितनी मुझे अब हो रही है. 4-5 बारी मैं रो चुकी हूँ. व्हेन आई एम गोइंग ऑन माई ड्रीम ट्रिप आई एम स्ट्रेस्ड कि मेरा कैमरा चोरी हो जाएगा, मेरा फ़ोन चोरी हो जाएगा. मैं जीपीटी कर चुकी हूँ कि फ़ोन चोरी होगा तो क्या प्रोटोकॉल करना है. इट्स जस्ट मेरे दिमाग में मेरा फ़ोन चोरी हो चुका है. एंड I've told my friends, do not say that, hey, don't get stressed, because it's not optional. It's not like कोई button है जो मैं press कर सकती हूँ to not feel this way. It's just not clocking to my fucking brain. I have been telling my brain to chill. I'm doing my affirmations. I'm doing my journaling. I'm doing my deep breaths. Nothing is working. Or even if it does work, वो 1-2 दिन के बाद इट्स बैक टू. मैं इंस्टाग्राम नहीं देख रही हूँ, मैं इतनी सारी वीडियो पे नॉट इंटरेस्टेड कर चुकी हूँ. मेरा एक फोटोग्राफर के साथ शूट है, मैं उसको पैनिक में लिख चुकी हूँ कि भाई मुझे ट्रोकाडेरो में नहीं मिलना है, ट्रोकाडेरो में नहीं मिलना है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो बहुत पिक पॉकेटर्स होते हैं. लाइक ही पिक्ड अप हाउ एंशियस आई एम बिकॉज ही रोट डोंट वरी वील टेक केयर ऑफ यू. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओह माय गॉड, इसको भी पता चल रहा है कि मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ. तो मैं अपने ट्रिप को लेकर के इतनी एक्साइटेड थी, फुल ऑफ जॉय थी, एंड दैट हैज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू एंजाइटी 1-on-1. लाइक इमेजिन आप इतने पैसे सेव करते हो, खर्चते हो जाने के लिए अपनी ड्रीम ट्रिप पे, एंड ऑल यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इज दैट यू आर गोना लूज योर फोन. आई एम सो फ्रिकिंग स्ट्रेस्ड and I still want to go, but I am so stressed before my trip. I want Ivan and I to be safe. मैं इवान को 4 बार बोल चुकी हूँ, मेरा हाथ पकड़ के रखना है हर जगह. मैं अकेले जा रही हूँ, आई कांट फॉल सिक. मैं अकेले ही जाती हूँ. मैं तो मेरे को ये भी एक डर लगा रहता है कि कुछ भी गलत होगा तो मेरे पे ब्लेम आ जाएगा ऑफ एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग, जो कि आता ही है. हर चीज़ की गलत मैं ही होती हूँ. सो plus the pickpocketing, plus the stress of my losing my phone, which has not happened yet, but मेरे brain में it has been convinced as it's real. And मैं अपने travels कभी भी on time तो डालती ही नहीं हूँ. vlog तो मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं है in my travels. So thinking about vlogging in Paris is making me anxious. I wanted to do it. I had all intentions of making these vlogs because I want to see those vlogs. This entire thing is me living my dream, right? But I am so scared that I don't know if I'm vlogging. This video you will see once I've done my trip and I'm back. That's when I'm gonna edit it because I have to leave tonight. So I don't have time to edit this today, and I don't want to put it out when I'm not here and I'm on my trip. I don't want to have any eyes on me. And this is not a nazar thing, this is a privacy thing. This is more of a like, it's, I'll tell you. Hello. मेरे इस कैमरा का फोकस इतना फक्ड चल रहा है. आई नीड टू बाय अ न्यू कैमरा. ऑब्वियसली ऑल माई मनी इज गोइंग ऑन माई ट्रिप, सो क्लियरली आई हैव ज़ीरो बजट फॉर माई न्यू कैमरा. लाइक I can't even say I don't have money. I have money. It's just being spent on other things. Trying to place you guys here. मैं नीचे फ्लोर पे बैठ के थक गई थी. So let me come here. Yeah, this is better. I am hoping I'm going to vlog, but how much I'm going to vlog, am I vlogging, how I'm going to feel when I'm there, क्या मेरा Airbnb से पहुंचने से पहले ही फोन चोरी हो जाएगा. I really don't know how this trip is gonna go. Nobody can know how this trip is gonna go. I am shit scared and anxious and stressed, like, and it's not in my control. no matter how much I do, it's just there. So I want to vlog, but how much I'm vlogging, I don't know. We're gonna see. This will go once I'm back. So how my trip went, I don't know. पता चल ट्रिप बहुत अच्छा गया, और जब मैं ये एडिट कर रही हूँ तो आई एम अर्ग्ड बाय द फैक्ट दैट आई एम सो स्ट्रेस्ड. या पता चले जब ये ट्रिप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई तो आई एम लाइक, ओ मुझे इंट्यूशन हो ही रही थी, मैं इतनी स्ट्रेस थी. यू सी सो मच इज हैपनिंग इन माई हेड. यू डोंट वांट टू बी इन माई हेड राइट नाउ. मेरे पास आज के लिए कुछ 100 काम बचे हैं. मेरे को मम्मी के घर जाना है, मेरे को इवान के पोलोराइड कैमरा की फिल्म्स लेनी है, मुझे उसके नाइट सूट पुराने हो गए हैं. क्यों मैंने लास्ट मिनट पे छोड़े हैं, डोंट इवन गेट मी स्टार्टेड. मेरा कल रात तक लास्ट सेशन था, सो आई सेट a little break bye to my clients, which was so emotional. Guys, I've reached a place where saying bye to my clients, I could see on their face that they were like, oh my god, she's going for 20 days. And I felt like it's a happy and a sad feeling at the same time. Sad because they don't want that kind of break, and happy that we've had that relationship where I am also appreciated as a coach, that they want me there with them. So I've never experienced this before. I've never experienced this with all my clients. This time it happened with all my clients, and it was just, that's one of the biggest blessings that I'm soaking in. So that was emotional and I was really happy about it. एनीवेज, मुझे नाइट सूट लेना है, मुझे थोड़ा सा स्नैक्स मंगाना है, मुझे अभी इसमें टॉयलेटरीज, मेकअप, चप्पल, अंडरगारमेंट्स का कुछ एंड बच गया है तो वो डालना है, और फिर उसके बाद मुझे नहाना है एज यू कैन सी. एंड शाम को मेरी टेम्पररी सफाई वाली आएगी, उससे मुझे सफाई करानी है. एंड आई हैड थॉट कि मैं आज रील शूट करूँगी, विच आई डोंट सी इट हैपनिंग, बट अगर हो गया तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं हुआ तो फिर वो पेरिस में शूट होगा. लाइक आई हैव मेड पीस विद इट. You know, I was telling somebody that I'm very anxious. मैं यूरोप जा रही हूँ and वहाँ बड़ी पिक पॉकेटिंग होती है पेरिस में. Usually I'm very conscious who I share my anxiety with, but I ended up telling somebody, which was a stupid mistake, because this person is married, and she ended up saying, don't worry, nothing will happen. And then she was like, when I go, I have my husband who is like a guard, and nobody comes close to us, something like that. And she wasn't saying it in any sort of thing, like there was no malicious feeling in it, there was no show off in it. She was just talking about herself, because most people, when they listen to you, they put themselves into it, and then they start talking about themselves. It's a thing. Even I must be doing it. Even I do it. And I ended up saying, yeah, I don't have that bodyguard. I love my life, but I never wanted to, you know, do this solo with a child. Like, it's overwhelming to do it as a single mother. Although I wouldn't have it any other way now. Like, आज अगर मुझे बोला जाए कि ओ आपको वापस मिल सकती हैं चीज़ें, I don't want any of it. You guys have no idea what I went through. जिसको लगता है that they know, you're stupid. मैं तो किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात ही नहीं करती what I went through. And I can't even imagine कि मैंने 10 साल किसी को ऐसे पागल चूतिए की तरह प्यार किया है, like अंधा प्यार किया है. But even now, when I'm going alone with Ivan, it is overwhelming. It gets better once we are there, but it is overwhelming. It is a little scary. To not have anybody next to me is my choice, but it is overwhelming and it is stressful. आपको सब कुछ पैक करना है, आपको ही घूमना है, आपको ही फन क्रिएट करना है, कोई प्रॉब्लम होएगी तो सॉल्व करनी है. इट्स टू मच ऑफ हाइपर इंडिपेंडेंस एंड इट्स टू मच ऑफ मी ऑन माई ओन. तो कर तो मैं सब कुछ लेती हूँ और बहुत अच्छे से करती हूँ और बहुत ऑसम पर्सन हूँ मैं, लेकिन ओवरवेलमिंग तो मुझे होता है. एनीबडी हु सेज कि उनको ओवरवेलमिंग नहीं होता, गुड फॉर देम. मुझे तो होता है. सो मैं अभी काफ़ी ओवरवेलम्ड हूँ. कर करके बड़ा मज़ा आ जाएगा, ठीक हो जाऊँगी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट अभी आज मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ इन माई very high anxiety state, and I wanted to do it this way because I don't want Blunt with K to be all about happy moments and glamorized and glorified life. So I want you to see how fucking stressed I am when I'm going on my dream vacation. People are unable to do it. I was unable to do it. It's such a big moment in my life. My entire room right now is just full of blessings and I am fucking stressed. I think धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएगा, एंजाइटी भी ठीक हो जाएगी. एंड अब मैं अपनी टू डू लिस्ट करना शुरू करती हूँ वापस से, और आप लोगों से शाम को अपने कुछ काम निपटा के फिर आराम से मिलती हूँ. लग नहीं रहा है कि रील्स शूट करूँगी, बट विल सी. व्लॉग करना चाहती हूँ पेरिस में, करूँगी कि नहीं करूँगी, वी विल सी. देयर इज़ अ लॉट दैट वी विल सी. But it's so funny, right? I should be jumping and I'm so anxious right now. I'm so stressed to do my dream trip. Oh, I'm feeling so stressed. This is all, it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be amazing, I'm gonna be able to do it. I just need to tell myself that I'm gonna be able to do it. Anybody who thinks that, oh, she's such a stupid person, she has such stupid problems, yes. I'm so happy I have this stupid problem. These are the stupid problems I want in my life. Being anxious before a Europe trip. Thank you so much. Hello. This is few hours, in fact a full day later. I look like a mess, to be honest. I have done everything, like most of my packing is done. अभी मैं फिलहाल medicines and wow, oh, I have to put my lip balm. यहाँ रख देती हूँ. Guys, इतनी थक गई हूँ मैं. Like, मैं ट्रिप पे जा रही हूँ बट मैं इतनी थक गई हूँ. थिंग इज, एयरपोर्ट से एयरबीएनबी तक I have to switch 2 trains with this luggage and Ivan. Come on, Komal, you wanted to do this. Oh, it's gonna be great, guys. I've got my anxiety a little managed. Spoke to a couple of friends. Obviously, they had all good things to say, which is helpful. It's gonna be great. Is what is going to happen. I'm going to come back and share those memories with you all. I'm going to vlog where I can. Now, where I can vlog, वो अभी मुझे sure नहीं है. I am going to Switzerland to visit my friend and I'm going to stay at his home. I don't think so I would be vlogging that bit. I'm going to go to Annecy. Annecy will be safer than Paris. Definitely will create a good vlog there. I should have worn these shoes that I got from Adidas for my trip. People say never go with your new shoes, but I bought them and I kept them in my bag 2 months back, I think. So they are new, but they are Adidas. Hopefully they are not going to disappoint me. They're very comfortable. Look at that beautiful black. Love it. Guys, it is happening. We are gonna leave for airport soon. I'm getting ready. Ivan is sleeping. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, while I was taking shower, I was just thinking about since how long. Oh my god, this is such a weird lighting. Yeah, let me get you guys somewhere where the lighting is not so bad. Shall we do this? Maybe this will work. Oh, a little better. I think so. Yeah, so while I was taking shower, I was just thinking, like all these months I have been talking non-stop with my friends that May is gonna come, I wanna go, I hope I can go, mera visa ho jaye, and it's finally happening. I am taking my son to Europe. I'm very excited, very happy about all this. I'm using cuffs and lashes, a little bit of concealer. Obviously, I don't want to do too much makeup. I mean, there's like, you can do makeup if you want to do makeup, and you should do makeup if you want to do makeup. I just want to conceal a little bit under my eyes and give myself a tint of something. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. But yeah, I don't want to do like full on makeup. बोलते बोलते makeup कर रही हूँ मैं. Just gonna fill my brows and do a little bit of blush. I don't know, मैंने कुछ लगाया अभी अपने आँखों के नीचे की नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा concealer खत्म हो रहा है. That's another thing to buy from Paris is a concealer. I hope I can get like एक ब्रांड था जिस टार्ट का कंसीलर मुझे एक ज़माने में बहुत पसंद था. अगर मेरे को सेफोरा पे टार्ट मिला, I'm gonna get it. इवान बहुत एक्साइटेड सोया है. He was like, I don't want to sleep. I want to go right now. I can't be late for the airport right now. So I told him, I was like, जितनी जल्दी तो सोएगा उतनी जल्दी मैं तेरे को उठाने आ जाऊंगी. And that was the trick to make him sleep. You know, this camera is not like I'm not a pro at doing my makeup with the camera screen. मेरे कमरे का AC खराब हो गया है, so I came outside. यहाँ मैंने AC ऑन किया. I was like, I'll do my makeup here. अभी हमारे को निकलने में 1 घंटा है, quite literally, and I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna chill with my, can you see, my little cattos. One of my friend is gonna take care of them. My खाना बनाने वाली दीदी is gonna take care of them. So, but I'm still gonna miss them, and I'm sure they're gonna be homesick. They're gonna miss us and घर की चहल पहल for sure. So I'm gonna spend some time with them. I very rare you will find me sleeping before my flight. I don't sleep. मुझे दूसरे मिरर में चेक करना पड़ेगा मैंने अपने आईब्रोज को कुछ किया भी है या बस मैं ऐसे ही लगी हुई हूँ. अभी चेक कर लेती हूँ. Yeah, so I don't sleep before my flight. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. And इतनी सी बची है. वैसे भी ये बहुत वो थी, like tester वाली थी. I'm gonna use it as blush and my lipstick. Hopefully that will do the trick. And I'm gonna watch some Friends, transfer this footage to my computer, shift my computer to my room, and check my memory card if I want one more. I don't know where my memory card stack is, so I'm gonna check all of that and then wake up Ivan, and then it'll be time to leave. I am so excited and nervous at the same time. Like I'm excited and nervous both at the same time. This lipstick is giving me very what do you call it, like a washed look. I think I'm gonna put something else on my lips. I really have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Should go check it in the mirror before I make my cheeks more pink than what they already are. This is not blended, Komal. Not bad. Better lighting. Not bad. Whoop. I should have literally मुझे यहाँ पे करना चाहिए था. Lipstick needs to be something else. थोड़ी देर में लगा लूँगी. It's not like I'm leaving right now. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna live my dream. And this dream is 16 years old, because 2010, 2011 to 2026, taking my child to Disneyland Paris and showing him Paris, showing him Eiffel Tower, talking to him about my college, talking to him about the streets I went to. I was talking to him about how I'll make him try the Subway sandwich that I used to have. This is gonna be a dream come true moment. मैं बहुत excited हूँ, बहुत nervous हूँ, and just सब कुछ सही से हो जाए, हम सही से घूम के आ जाएं, फिर उसके बाद I will share whatever I have vlogged with you all. Hopefully I will have my experiences to share with you. Hopefully I will vlog out there, and yeah, okay, I'm gonna see you super soon in my next vlog. You will see this once I'm back. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, go follow me there because I will put stuff there. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you already know that I'm doing this by the time you watch this. A lot of time traveling is happening. Just want to show you guys my outfit which I got especially because I've lost weight. I had to go and get something for airport because I wanted something comfortable. I got this bra top from Uniqlo in the size small. I used to wear L of the size and now I fit in S, which is awesome. And I got these really comfortable pajama pants which is gonna be so comfy for the plane. I'm gonna wear my Adidas shoes, and there I also got a jacket because in the plane I feel cold, and we are landing in Paris around 6ish. Although वहाँ पे गर्मी हो गई है, it was showing yesterday it's 30 degrees, but वहाँ पे मौसम शाम को ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, so just want to keep a jacket. In any ways, we're gonna go to Switzerland. I don't know how's the weather gonna be there, so a jacket for there as well. So okay, okay. See you after my trip. See you after my trip. I hope everything goes well. I can't even say pray for me because you're gonna see it later. But I hope I come back and I say कि मैं ऐसे ही tension ले रही थी, इतना मस्त trip गया and everything was awesome.